वेलकम टू क्राफ्ट की दुनिया। कैसे हो मेरे क्राफ्ट के सितारे? चमक रहे हो ना? टुडे वी विल मेक अ फ्लावर वास which is done on a balloon. इसके लिए हमें सामान जो चाहिए, बलून, बोल, फेविकोल, ब्लैक पेंट, गोल्डन पेंट, water, tissue roll, scissor, sandpaper, varnish, brush, tissue paper cut in strips, paper tape and a clip, newspaper and wall wax putty. Now we'll cut these paper into strips. These strips should be thin so that you can easily paste on the balloon. These can be long, but it should be thin. We have cut the newspaper strips. Now we'll put it on this, and this tissue roll also we have cut them into strips. I have already cut some, and I'm going to use these strips in pasting the balloon. We'll take a little water and Fevicol. Fevicol in water to dilute. This is a little bit messy craft, so you need to keep a polythene below this. We are going to cover the whole balloon with newspaper strips. Now we'll put a layer of tissue paper. I'm using tissue paper so that the layers can be differentiated. We require at least 8 layers. So for 8 layers, we'll put 4 layers of newspaper and 4 layers of tissue paper. Now we have put 4 layers of tissue paper and 4 layers of newspaper. Now it is wet, so we'll tie a knot with a thread and hang it for drying. Leave it overnight so that it becomes dry, and just hang it. Now it is dry, so we'll remove the thread and we'll burst the balloon, and we'll remove the balloon. Because it has an oval shape, it is not standard. So to make the balloon like a flower vase. We push it from below a little so that we have a base and it stands. Now it is standing. आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि आप धीरे से इसे मोड़ें जिससे and it is quite strong because we have put 8 layers of newspaper and tissue paper all together. Now we'll give it a shape. We'll cut it in an oval shape. अब हम इसे कैंची से काट देंगे. We'll use a little Fevicol and paste this tissue paper in a long strip. And one more time. Tissue paper is very delicate, so be very careful while applying Fevicol. Now we are going to paste this on this. We'll apply a little Fevicol on the sides. Now our vase is ready. We'll mix a little Volputty in this diluted Fevicol. We shall mix little water in this. It should not be in a liquid form, rather a little thick, so that you can apply this easily. This is quite thin, so I am adding a little more putty. Should be like a dough so that it can be applied. As this is paper, if it is too watery, this will become soggy. और ये गले नहीं, इसलिए पुट्टी थोड़ी हार्ड होनी चाहिए. इसको सूखने के लिए छोड़ना है. जब ये सूख जाए तब लगाना है. आप इसे पानी से की सहायता से इसको प्लेन करेंगे. इसको लगाने के बाद हम इसे सूखने के लिए रख देंगे. This is dry now, but it is rough from some of the sides. What we'll do is we'll take a sandpaper. This is 80 number sandpaper. 80 number sandpaper. We'll cut this in small pieces and we are going to rub it. rubbing, it becomes smooth. This vase is white and gold. Now I am going to paint this in black and gold. Instead of white, I am going to do it black. Now that our pot is painted from outside, we will paint it inside also, so that no paper is visible. Now to get this effect, we are going to tape हाफिज़ात. आप कहीं भी टेप चिपका दें और जो जगह बचेगी वहां पर हम ब्लैक कलर करेंगे, गोल्डन कलर करेंगे, सॉरी. Now, ये जो अधूरे एंड्स हैं इनको हमें छुपाना है. Now we leave it to dry. Once it is dry, then we remove the tape. Absolutely dry. We will be removing the tape. We have already removed the tape of this, and now we are going to remove the tape of this. Some of the places the black color is coming out. We'll redo that. Now we'll paint it black again. Now we are painting the base because we have finished painting. just leave it for 10-15 minutes. It will be dry. Now we are going to varnish this. This is also dry, and now we are going to varnish this also. If you don't have this varnish, you can also use Asian Paints varnish or Berger varnish. ये आप जब बनाएंगे तो कभी आपका बलून फट जाएगा, कभी आप ठीक से बना नहीं पाएंगे। आप घबराइएगा नहीं। असफलता एक चुनौती है, स्वीकार करो। असफलता एक चुनौती है, स्वीकार करो। क्या कमी रह गई, देखो और सुधार करो। Try and you will succeed.